let's get right to the experiments.
So first I wanted to show you what I sound like with no microphone all the way back here. Okay, now let's plug it in, put on the mic, and we'll see how it sounds.
Oh my goodness, pardon my yelling. How do I sound now? Can you hear me? Do I sound better? I don't know if you can see the trees moving, but it's pretty windy over here. Yeah, the wind is really, really picking up, and I don't think that you're probably hearing it as much as I am. In case you're not familiar with what this fuzzy thing is, it's called a wind muff, or some people call it like a dead cat, and it helps protect from the wind or the fan when you're inside. It's super great sound quality even without it. I'm going to take it off. This is me in the wind without the dead cat or the wind muff, and you can see it's still pretty good at noise canceling, except you might hear a little bit more of the wind. I'm going to put it back on now. And then how do I sound now? Hopefully this is kind of the best of the three. I'm gonna unplug it again and let's just remind ourselves what it sounded like without the mic.
Do you hear the beeping in the background, the wind? My family's talking over there. Much less professional sounding, right? And now, how does it sound? Much less professional sounding? And then with my mic?
And now here I am with my mic. What do we think? What about now? What about now? What about now? Boo, boo. What about now? What about now? Even though I'm walking away from you, psst, I have a secret for you. The secret is that this microphone is so awesome.
Well, that's fun. Experiment number 1 completed. Now I'm here in my husband's office, and you might be able to hear the fan is going, the air filter is going, his loud fish tank is going. So there's a little bit of ambient noise. It's otherwise quiet, but probably doesn't sound the best. Now let's try back on our mic and see if it makes any difference. The wind muffs are totally optional. This is what I'm plugging in my phone, and when this gets plugged in and this is on, it connects automatically. You don't even fumble with anything in your phone. It's plug and play. So it could not be easier. If you have a different type of charging port, if you have lightning, for example, they actually have an adapter. So if you do have lightning, you can just plug that in and you'll be good to go. We're plugging in right now.
Check, check, check. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. Indisputably better, right? How's the battery? Awesome. You can definitely film for hours without having to recharge. Speaking of charging, you can definitely still charge your phone or whatever device while you're filming, because in that transmitter I just showed you, there's a little port that you can just plug your charging cord into, and that way, no excuses, your phone will never die. The case itself is awesome and super durable and just big enough that it feels like I might not lose this too easily. Has space for the 2 microphones and the receiver. Because of the 2 mics, you can even have 2-person interviews, each of you wearing your own mic so that no one sounds louder than the other. What are you waiting for? Go do it. You will not regret it. You and your content are going to be very happy that you did.